YouTube, we're back at it. Got some wind. Oh man, this thing's awesome. Here we are with my paint faded Evo 9 MR with a crappy transmission. So, let me jump in the car so it's not too windy. And we're on video. Video day 2, what's up fam? Okay, let's see if this thing starts today. I got some plans that I made over the evening last night. Let's see if this thing will start on over. I think it has a pretty good battery. There we go. Alright, can you guys see me? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Like a charm! Brand new! OEM, baby! So, oh my gosh, what a day. So what we're gonna do today is, I'm gonna wash this thing. This is gonna be funny. I'm gonna put WD-40 all over the entire car. You guys are like, what the heck is he doing? Just watch. The WD-40, when you have a car like this, it really lubes up the entire car. It's actually okay for paint. WD-40 is okay to remove stuff from paint. The paint doesn't even matter because it's a hunk of junk. But I want to lube up the entire car, windshield wipers. I want to just put WD-40 over the whole car. This is funny. And then I'm gonna take the car wash and spray it off. Car currently doesn't go into 5th or 6th gear at all. So here's the plan. I spoke with Miles. English Racing. I think they have the fastest Evos in the world. I know that they have a fast Evo 10. Spoke with him today. Very nice. Eric and Miles, the guys are all really nice at English. They're the kings of Evos in where I live. So, or just JDM stuff. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna drive to Vegas, hopefully, in 4th gear. And make it to Vegas. And then I got this guy my buddy named Anton. He owns a shipping company, and he's gonna have one of his guys meet me in Vegas. We're gonna slap the car on one of his trucks, send it to English. English is gonna put a new clutch on it and then inspect the transmission. I guess that if the transmission's bad, you can't get any more parts from it or anything. So I'm gonna do what I said, Miles, I'll do anything it takes to keep the 6-speed transmission. And I said, like, because I really don't want big power on this car. Like 350 horsepower is good for me. I don't need 450, I don't need 1,000, I don't need anything. I just want the drivability of the 6-speed. It's like why I bought this car. And so I hope that this can be fixed. But he'll rip apart the car, rip apart the transmission, and we'll go from there. So let's jump right into it. This is crazy. What a crazy adventure. Never's boring on my channel. We're gonna go over to Walmart. I'm gonna buy some 2 cans of WD-40, do a self-surface car wash if I can continue to drive. If not, I'm gonna have the guy meet me here. I'm in Kingsman, I think. But the goal today, we're trying to get the car washed and then we're trying to get to Vegas. So let's try to get to Vegas. Okay, so of course we're starting back over some White Monsters. A little bit of octane booster, clean it up a little bit because they're trying to drive. I hope it's not 100 miles, but I think it might be. These are 2 cans of WD-40. Just watch what I do with this. I wouldn't recommend doing this on a freshly painted car, but when your car looks like this, it don't matter. Just watch the transformation of what it does. So what we're gonna do. Again, it's freezing, guys. Gosh, it's cold here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a self-service car wash. We're gonna cover the entire car with WD-40, let it sit for 4 or 5 minutes, and then spray it all down. And yeah, then we're gonna go ahead and take it on a drive. The WD-40 will just restore everything. So even on plastics and even around like the tires, it'll just make it all look nice and clean. This stuff right here, it'll re-lubricate all this. Because when I go to get the car painted, I don't want any of the plastics to break. I mean, like all this is gonna have to come off, but I really don't want any of the plastics to break. So this is my Friday life. So what I'm doing on Friday. We're at 4,100 RPMs, going 65 and a 75 in the Evo because I'm stuck in 4th, 5th and 6th don't work. Sometimes, guys, you just gotta drive in 4th at 75 miles an hour. Listen to your loud 4G63 make a bunch of noise. So, yeah, this is where we are. I haven't gone to the car wash yet because all the car washes that were self-service were way away from Vegas. So I just got on the freeway and started heading towards Vegas. Now, I don't want to drive. I don't want to drive this much on the highway with this car in 4th with a 90,000 mile 4G63. I think that's just too much beating on it. It's worth the shipping cost. Again, the buyer or the seller sucks, dude. Guy just went. I can't believe that he misstated that. Said it was totally drivable. Oh well, it is what it is. We're gonna move forward. So we're gonna do. I don't know how many miles this is gonna be. Let's make sure I'm going the right way. Oh yeah, I am going the right way. So let's grab some gas actually, because I'm only at a half a tank. And then we'll grab some gas, and then we'll keep on heading towards Vegas. Okay, lots of noise, road noise, not as much windy. So what we're gonna do is put some of that fuel cleaner in my Evo. It is so loud right here. We got like 100 miles to Vegas. Put some of that in there. We're driving in fourth gear at like 6,500 or like at 4,500 RPMs. Yeah, at 75 miles an hour. But hey, this is what we live for. We're car guys. This is good stuff. So the car looks amazing. I mean, look at it. The angles are so good. Yeah, the paint's crap. Windshield's broken, but when it's all done, it's gonna be amazing. So let's go ahead and put some of that gum out in, fill this out. Believe it or not, since I'm driving in fourth, it's just sucking down the gas mileage. When I was in sixth earlier, it was actually doing pretty decent. So now it's just bad. All right, fuel cleaner in. Who knows how long that fuel is in there. I did top it off yesterday with some, I don't know what brand. Now we're doing some Mobil 1. I'm a Chevron kind of guy, but Mobil 1's fine. So now we have all the cleaner in there. Again, back at it in this state with the 91, no 92 or 93. Let's get some of this and put it in our Evo as I spill it everywhere. The card reader wasn't working, so we had to switch on over. We're still getting the 91. We're on this side though. Now you guys get a look at the back of the Evo. So here I'm gonna show you guys. I haven't washed the car yet because we're gonna head to Vegas first. But just watch this. It just kind of, this is WD-40. Of course I brought a microfiber from my website from MITSUBISHI.com. It just makes it look way better and cleaner and newer. So we're gonna do this across the entire car. I'm not gonna wipe it off when I do it. I'm just gonna completely do the entire car, and then we're gonna rinse it off. Is this wing on here? How tight is this wing on here? Yeah, it's pretty loose. No, I guess that's just the way that it is. I don't know, I'll have to look if it's fully mounted. But yeah, here's the Evo. I really want the JDM rear bumper. Is that a stock exhaust? I don't know. Is that stock? No, I don't think so. I have to get down and look. But you know, 100% stock is what the guy said, 99.9%. But we're gonna get that JDM bumper on here. It's gonna be amazing, paint job, get this car fixed up. On or off. Hey, the ABS light went off. Interesting. Maybe the brake fluid warmed up at a certain temperature or something like that. But hey, so let's get out of here. So that's good. Maybe the check engine light will just go off, and then the airbag. I don't know why the airbag's off. I have no idea what's up with that. I think there's two. There's one up there which hasn't deployed ever. None of these, because there's I looked at the clean Carfax for it, and then also I don't think this one ever has. So I wonder why that's on there. I guess people are saying that there's some wiring in the door that's connected, so maybe that's it. And interesting, the tarmac and gravel is on. So let's see if that stays on. It usually goes into all three modes. I think they were called an active yaw controller or AYC pump on the 10s. I don't know what they call it on these ones. I'm not sure. I feel bad. The people in front of me left their gas tank open. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head to Vegas. Hopefully we make it in fourth gear and clean up the car there and maybe get it on a shipping trailer and send this thing to English and go from there. I'm enjoying this. It's fun. I didn't enjoy it last night because I thought I was gonna get stranded and I was pretty ticked off, but hey, we powered through it. It's a good opportunity to learn some new stuff. So let's keep on going today. It'll be fun. I love the red, black, Recaro seats. It's amazing. Let's go. All right, we're out in the middle of the desert, middle of no man's land. We have, how many miles is it? 102 miles, and we're stuck in fourth gear. Hey, this is the first time I've ever been happy to see a speed limit that says it's 65 miles an hour, because I can actually keep up. I don't want to push this thing to like 80 miles an hour in fourth gear constantly, so I'm just gonna hang out like at 4,200 RPMs, drive over these bouncy roads, and yeah, we're gonna just tucker it out. I mean, we're getting there, I guess. It's working, but I hope my shipping company is all set up and I can get this shipped tonight or tomorrow. Maybe we'll spend one more day in Vegas, but hey, the car's going, so I'm okay with that. As long as we keep on moving progress, I'm happy. Guys, this is a monumental moment on my road trip. I'm in an Evo 9 MR, like one of the fastest Evos made, and I'm finally passing someone. at 63 miles an hour, right guys? We did it. This is why we came here, for race car. Yeah, baby. All right, we got 58 miles till we hit Vegas. We're out in the middle of nowhere. We have 93,200 miles. We've done, I think I got, it says 200 miles on it so far, but we haven't. We've done less. Reason why is I think there was already at 30. So I think I've done like 170 miles on it. Still in 4th gear. I haven't tried to go into 6th or 5th today. I don't want to. I just think it's too risky. So I'll just leave it. I'm just trying to get it to Vegas, which I think we're gonna get it to Vegas. And I'm getting passed by everything. Zoom. Which I wish I could be going monster fast because it's Evo, but oh well. Beautiful taking in the sights, making some memories. We got this. All right, great news. There's a stratosphere way out there. I don't know if you guys can see it on your computer screens or cell phone screens however you're watching this, but hey, we made it. The Evo actually sounds a little bit happier right now. I mean, it's not as bad. I guess the road's a little bit nicer, but man, this is crazy. I'm very happy that I made it to Vegas. Vegas is a huge hub. It'll be very easy to get a shipper to ship this to English Racing, so we did good. So I'm happy. So let's go find a self-service car wash. All right, we made it. We're in Vegas. There's some music playing, so I don't want to get copyrighted, but these are all the stuff I'm gonna throw away really quick. Monster, seat belt, old floor mat, and steering wheel. So all this is junk. I don't want in the car anymore, so we're gonna throw all this away. I will get new floor mats, but now we're gonna go over the entire car with WD-40 except for the glass. So we're gonna just literally go over the engine bay, the entire car with WD-40, and then we'll spray it all down. It'll be an amazing difference. The car's not in the best condition, obviously needs repainted, but this WD-40 will loosen it all up and make it amazing. Just watch what it does. Like even this little rust down here, it'll kind of get rid of that. So I don't recommend doing this. I'm just doing this because this car's been sitting out in the sun for so long. Guys, check this out. It came with the OEM carpet. No way. That's best news yet. I love that. That's so cool. That's so awesome. So what I'm doing right now is just going over, watch, just watch. Like this right here, just literally like this. I'm gonna do this across the whole car. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and then we're gonna rinse it all off. It just makes a difference. I've been doing it especially on grommets, anything that has rubber, because it'll restore its life to it. It does amazing. Okay, so I've gotten one side. I used the whole can. It looks funny. Just wait until it washes off. It'll look a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and do the engine bay now. I wanted to show you guys this. So here's the engine. Just wait till the before and after. This thing is dusty, cobwebs. This WD-40 will change it. So let's go ahead and do it now. This is the only time I'll ever do this. I use the brush. Don't kill me. Don't hate me. I use the brush. So I put WD-40 over the entire car. Now I brushed it. Now we're gonna wash it off. Watch what happens. You don't have to do this every time, but it's pretty cool. Watch. All right, just finished. Amazing. Look at the different results. So good. Look at that. Let's get out of here so we don't get copyrighted. Car still drives like crap. So when I'm in 2nd gear right now. Sometimes if I have the clutch in and then let it out and then it rests against the flywheel and then you put it back in, try to put the car into gear. Not happy. He doesn't like it. What am I gonna do now? So I just washed the car. We'll go ahead and go over an overview. I probably gotta get some food. We gotta get some food, right? And then I'm gonna arrange, see if I can, maybe, let's go drive, maybe next video we'll go drive on the boulevard of Vegas, take the Evo on the boulevard, that'd be fun. Too bad it's not fast or cool. And maybe I'll get photos down there. But I think the main goal is to make sure I can get the shipping company ready. So I am taking this to English Racing. It's gonna be expensive. I don't know how much, but a lot probably. And I made a big deal to them saying I want to keep this 6-speed, and they're like, well, it's gonna be hard to get parts, but I want to keep it. So whatever it costs, I'm gonna make sure I can get this 6-speed going. Other than that, I mean, the car's going good. Everything's good. The engine bay looks way better now. We'll make it. We're gonna do this. So let's go and find a spot to get lunch, take some photos, and then maybe do the boulevard, and then find that shipping company to ship this thing back up to Washington. All right, we made it. Vegas Boulevard, baby. Let's, I think I'm gonna get some In-N-Out. I think I'm going to Mexico. I'm supposed to be on a diet, but I mean, come on, I'm in Vegas. Just one, right? An In-N-Out burger? I think I'm gonna do it. So, yeah, I need a new windshield, of course. Now we're on the boulevard. Let's go grab some lunch. Like I said, I gotta find an In-N-Out here. We're not gonna go to the one downtown. But let's find an In-N-Out, and then yeah, I'm excited. This is awesome. I'm glad to be back here. It's cool to be in an Evo. Too bad my Evo has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights on. We'll get them all fixed. This thing will be sick when it's all done. All right, we made it. We stopped. Look at that. How cool is that? This thing is just lunking along. We're living, we're doing it, you know, it's making it. It looks way better though with the car wash, right? Doesn't it look so much better? Can you tell with all that WD-40 on there? Look at that. So here, let me pop open this trunk real quick, and I just wanted to show you guys how that is, what that does. Like even I put WD-40 even on the little key. So when you put the key in here, this goes, it's easier. Do you see that? It was kind of stuck before. If you put a little bit of WD-40 in there, whoops. Let's do it again. This trunk is the lightest trunk in the world, by the way. But look, it looks so much better. Right there, all the seals and everything, that looks way, way better. So just a little bit of WD-40, it all washes off, but in the end, it looks way better. This car's been dried out in the sun. It's insane. Oh my gosh, everything's dried out on it. But hey, we got it. So we made it to Vegas. I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is gonna be driving a broken Evo. My Evo broke on the way to Vegas, which it did. No more 5th gear, no more 6th gear. So that's what the video is gonna be, and I'm glad I made it here. I feel really good that I made it here. Being out where I was, in the middle of nowhere, I was pretty worried for a while, but now Vegas has so many people and stuff here, and so many shops, I'm okay with it. So goal, next video, what we're gonna do is meet up with a guy for the trailer, put the car on the trailer, make sure everything goes well, ship the car back to Washington, go to English, and then have English repair it, and then pick it up and start the mod process, probably like in 2 or 3 months or something like that. But I'm really happy I got this car. This is gonna be a great summer car, later summer car, or 2023 car. I'm not sure when I'm gonna start the build process, but it'll be amazing. I'm glad I got my hands on it. MR, baby, MR. All right, make sure to like, subscribe. Of course, swingbymitch.com. I'm in Vegas. I'll see you guys in the next video.